Welcome everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Rico show. I am here in Elmhurst in Invacus Kitchen. Oh man, we got a lot of great things that we're gonna show you today because today we are going with lamb chops and it's mustard thyme time to be corrected. But let's get it on everybody. Hey, get your weapons ready and put on a shirt. Let's get it on. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da, da. Let's go. So let's get down with our ingredients. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of regular olive oil. I have, it's thyme, right? Fresh, that's what we have. 1/4 cup of, Grey Poupon, Dijon mustard. Let's go. Ooh-wee, I have 8 that I'm gonna mince up garlic. And these babies right here, the meats. Yes, I have 9 of them. They're loin lamb chops. So make sure you wash those and pat them dry as well. If you love wine like I do, I got 1 cup of that right now. I have 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. I have also 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Yes, we're gonna start off with our marinade. Let's get right into it. Let's go. All right, it's time to put our marinade together. So I have nice little Pyrex, so I'm gonna add in some thyme. I'm gonna add in some of that, so I'm using a couple sprigs, but also it's based off of how many loin chopsticks you actually have. So, I should say loin lamb chops. So I'm actually use just maybe a couple sprigs here. Put that in here. We're gonna add in our garlic as well. So put our garlic in there. Olive oil. Yeah, Barbie. Lemon juice. Let's go. And our salt. Mix that all together. Now let's put it into the bag. Let's go. Okay, so now it's time to pour in our marinade. Get them all in. So I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna massage that in there. So we're gonna marinate this for 5 minutes because I'm super happy. We're gonna take this over to the Henkelman Boxer 52. This is going to marinate because you know why? The Henkelman is gonna actually stretch out the meat. It's gonna marinate it. It's gonna be 5 minutes. 5 minutes only. Of course, if you're at home, 30 minutes tops. Room temperature as well too. So let's go over to the Henkelman and let's stretch out this meat and get it marinated and then we'll seal it up. Let's go. Wow, look at this. Ooh, wait. Wow, I have never seen anything marinate this fast. I tell you, the Henkelman, the Boxer 52 does wonders. This is beautiful. Look at this. Look, it's sealed, like so tight. And you can definitely tell that the ingredients, the marinade, all of that is all together. So you cannot go wrong with this at all. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, maybe 5 more minutes, but you can definitely tell that the marinade is definitely within the fibers of the meat. It's beautiful, beautiful. Wow, just beautiful. It's time to cook. Okay, so I'm going to set my induction cooker to medium high on my skillet. Then I'm gonna add in my tablespoon of olive oil. Let that heat up. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this bag. Okay, so you can do these in batches as well, but see if I can get these all in here. I got 2 more to fit in here. See if we can get 2 more in here. So we're gonna sear this. A nice little coloring to it. I think I'm able to get it there. All right, there you go. So why am I cooking this dish? I love mustard. I do, I love mustard. And I just like, just mustard in general. I love mustard in a cream sauce. So this is one reason why I'm cooking this dish. I really love it also because I love lamb. So being able to have thyme and that sauce along with it is going to, help my taste buds have a party. So super happy to actually make this, and hopefully you guys are excited as well as I am. So that's why I love to cook. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is going to take out my lamb chops. They're nice and brown. Look at that. How beautiful. Nice little sear. Now I'm gonna add in my wine. I'm gonna bring that to a boil. That's going to actually deglaze the bottom, so we'll get some of those bits on the bottom there. We'll bring this down to medium once it starts to boil. Okay. All right, it's time to add in, I'm gonna add in the garlic. Stir in our garlic. Now we're gonna add in our mustard. Smell that mustard. So there is part of the mustard, I'm gonna add in some heavy whipping cream, and that's gonna give it a nice thick mustard sauce. So if you like mustard, it's gonna be a nice little flavor that you're gonna get with once I add in the lamb chops back in again. So the reason why we actually seared our lamb chop is we wanted to get that crust. Now, when we actually add this back in, we start basically basting it and putting the sauce on top. It's gonna cook a little bit more, which is gonna be basically medium to well done. So as this thickens with the heavy whipping cream, the reason why we actually have the lamb actually being charred right now is because it's going to cook again. And we wanna make sure that it's actually well, and it cooks very fast. Now with steak, of course, you have that, that rare, you wanna get to medium, and then medium well, and then well done. So with lamb, it cooks all the way through really fast. So lamb is just, no pun intended, just another animal by itself, but it's a good thing. It's actually a good thing, and the texture itself is beautiful. So I think we are ready to add in our lamb chops. So the dry thyme is for the garnishing piece. The other one was to cook within the sauce. So I'm basically cooking it. So now it's just garnishing and it's good to go. Fresh thyme is always good to be able to use. Now this is going to settle within the sauce as well. So the dried is going to actually give you that extra flavor, right? Even though I cooked it within the fresh, you're not really gonna taste it, but now you're gonna really taste it on top with the dried thyme. Okay, so it's time to plate our lamb chops. Let's go. All right, it's time to eat, everybody. So now this is so good. Let me just go ahead and cut myself a piece here and see how this comes out. All right. Yeah, I gotta eat it with rice. The sauce is very good. You can definitely taste the mustard. The thyme on it is really good. You can also taste a little bit of the garlic as well. So the garlic actually helps a lot. Not too much of the wine, but you taste a little bit of that as well. Yeah, this is good. This is great. Wow. Let me get another piece here. Hope you guys are eating with me too. You have to be eating with me on this one. Now, of course, I had like 9 of these. So for tomorrow, leftovers. Yeah, this is good. Everybody, we made it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to go to my Instagram, Cooking with Rico Show. This food is to die for. But keep on living, everybody. Until next time, everybody, I'll see you guys later. All right, let's try this over some rice. See what it tastes like. Wow, look at that. Greek Saganaki. I tell you that iCombi Pro made it really hot in less than 10 minutes. Baby, it's super hot. So many features. Let's see what it did. Oh, man. Wow. The white wine, as well as the tomato sauce, crushed tomatoes, as well as a little bit of puree, but more of the crushed tomatoes. But once it all simmers down and it gets like thickened, you can definitely taste more of the tomato sauce and the wine. It's really good. And the shrimps, of course, comes out so good. Feta cheese on top, so it makes it taste much better. I think every time we start, you gotta tell me actually no.
Actually no.
Okay?
That's how I'm gonna interrupt you now.
Actually.
Actually, can we do another?
Or actually just say it at the beginning for me, like before I even start, okay? Say actually no.
Actually no?
Let's get all the actuallys out. Let's just say actually
Yeah.
50 times real quick.
No, I can't do that.
That'll help us.
Okay. Okay. All right, it's in my head now.
Okay.
Here we go.
Who needs the board again? Are you still rolling on time?
I'm still rolling. I haven't cut.
Okay. Do this again. Did
I'm
you
still
cut?
rolling.
Still rolling? Alright, you good then? Alright, you want the board? Alright, you good? That's awesome.
Actually, I'm never gonna say actually again.
Yeah,
I feel like I actually don't want to say it again.
Actually.
See, that's part of the slang, you know what I mean? Like, oh my God.
Everyone keeps saying actually, you're all gonna.
We're gonna all say it.
Quote out of Hanover.
A synonym for actually.
I don't know.
well,
And.
Oh wait. Yeah.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
what else can I say? Okay.
In reality.
Oh here, you just give that to me.
Well.
3.
Wow.
As a
So
matter
we're
of
starting.
I
fact,
can't say well then. I'll be like,
Okay.
Well,
What's
no.
next?
as a matter of fact.
As a matter of fact, it's a good one. Garlic.
Garlic? Okay, prep.
actually, you know what? I just need to prep this garlic. So I'm just
Do you
going
want
to
to just prep it
say,
real quick?
yeah, let me
We'll
prep
all
it.
just hang out.
Okay.
The reason why I am here at Invacus, the place is beautiful. It's nice, it's intimate, but it's really good for a lot of chefs. Like myself, upcoming chef, I really love the space. I love the equipment that they actually have here, and you have great storage as well. I think one cool thing about it is they also offer other utensils if you need utensils or you forgot something like I have maybe before. But I really appreciate the staff here, and everyone's actually really, really nice. So you definitely want to take advantage of this here in Elmhurst.